Hello, this is Pritesh and I will be presenting on flight information. Let's have a look on integrated flight information, how the flight data is gathered. The data from aircraft is communicated to the ground via ACARS, and that data is pushed to Sabre. Then the same data is pushed to flight information PSS box from FOS blocks via point-to-point link, and then this data is pushed to various applications that uses this data. The flight information is pushed to inventory. Say for example, when any flight is cancelled, the data is updated in the flight information, and same can be same is reflected in inventory. If you try to find any particular flight which is cancelled in CTFare availability, you will not be able to find it. Also, the data is exchanged with codeshare partners. The data is pushed to FIDS, airport check-in system, ENS and EMS service, that is event notification system and event messaging system. The data which they receive is then used for publishing to the customer. The data is also pushed to PNR, is also exchanged with official airline guide and also with web services. ACARS, Aircraft Communication Addressing and Reporting System, is used for transmission of messages between aircraft and ground station via radio or satellite. It was introduced in 1978 by ARINC. The initial application of ACARS was to automatically detect and report changes to major flight phases, such as out of the gate, on the off the ground, on the ground, and in the gate. This is termed as OOI event in industry, and OOI events are determined by taking aircraft sensors as input. Uh, the flight information, the flight data can be seen in the system like this. Flight information, the detailed flight information includes board point with its time of departure, off point with its time of arrival. The flight information also includes equipment code along with name of a captain on board. This also includes the actual time of a flight, which is actual time of a flight when the flight is out of the gate, when it is taken off, and when it is on the ground, when it is in the gate. The same data can be viewed in the host PNR immediately below the segment for which that FIFO data exists. One can view the same FIFO data in a user-friendly environment on websites such as flighttracker.com, flightstats.com. The same data here you can see in a user-friendly interface. The status of flight, departed, the time of when it has left the gate, and various other information. FIDS, flight information display system, is nothing but monitors you can see on in the airport that would provide the that would provide flight status at of various airlines. Common statuses are like cancelled, boarding, check-in, landed, etc. Let's take an example. If a passenger is running towards airport with his heavy bags to reach airport in time. After reaching airport, he comes to know that his flight is delayed. He has no option but to wait. And another scenario may be flight is cancelled, resulting in argument with ground staff. All these scenarios create chaos in airport. Business idea for NTL. We can create an app that would provide additional services other than standard features, like intimating the passenger with status of flight via SMS and email. Many times passengers while booking a flight are very particular about equipment code like Airbus or Boeing, etc. But due to some unavoidable circumstances, they need to airline may need to change the aircraft type. So our app will send an notification to the passenger about equipment change. Our information will also, our app will also send GMT offset to the passenger, which will help passenger to calculate the actual time of in another city. Our app will also intimate the passenger on WhatsApp and BlackBerry Messenger the exact status of a flight. Additional services which we can provide is live updates about flight departure, arrival routes, diversions, And also our app will help a passenger to find alternative flights while waiting for their delayed flights. Thanks.